Good morning, first grade. All right, I've read some books to you this week from our Wonders series. Today I'm going to read another book that is also about our essential question, which is how do animals survive in nature? Today I'm going to be reading Red Eyes or Blue Feathers, a book about animal colors. The author of this book is Patricia M. Stockland, and it's illustrated by Todd Oren. Now, what's interesting about this book, it is nonfiction, so that means it's going to tell us real information, real facts. But instead of photographs, which a lot of our nonfiction books use, this book has illustrations. Now, when I'm reading, I'm going to stop once in a while and ask you a question or something to help guide our thinking about that essential question. All right, color adaptations. Wow, that's a really big word. Let's clap that word out. Are you ready? Let's clap the syllables. Adaptations. 4 syllables in that word. What's the best way to survive in the wild? Adaptation. Color is one way to adapt. So how does an animal's color help it survive? All right, so let's think about that word adaptation. When animals adapt or change or have an adaptation, it means that they have something special about them, a feature that lets them survive in nature. So that's what this book is all going to be about, how animals' colors help them survive in nature. Some animals have colors that help them hide from hungry predators. Other animals use their color to keep from being seen while they hunt. Colors even help animals find mates or talk to each other. Read on to find out why some animals have such clever colors. So we heard a few reasons animals have certain colors. 1, it's to help them hide from predators. 2, it's to help the predators hide when they're trying to catch their prey. 3, it helps them find a mate, which is the other animal that they're going to have babies with. Or 4, it helps them talk or communicate with each other. All right, the first animal we're going to read about is the red-eyed tree frog. Oh, so colorful. Bright red eyes shine in the night. The red-eyed tree frog is wide awake. Does anyone know what that's called when an animal stays awake at night? Opposite of us? Nocturnal. During the day, this tiny frog hides its bright colors by closing its eyes and tucking up its legs. The red-eyed tree frog's shiny green back blends in with the trees. Predators think the little frog is a leaf. The vertical pupils, and what that means is the up and down pupils, that's the little dark part in our eyes, help it see better at night. Daytime frogs usually have horizontal pupils. So what that's telling us is that if we see a frog and its eye pupils go up and down, it's probably a nocturnal frog. It's awake at night. If they go the other way, it's probably a diurnal frog, and that means it's awake during the day. So this little frog uses its colors to hide, and also it uses its colorful eyes to help it see at night. Oh, I bet you know this animal. Polar bear. White fur surrounds a shiny black nose. A polar bear slowly lumbers across the snow. And if you slowly lumber, that means you are not moving fast. You're moving very slowly. The polar bear's snow-colored coat blends in with the Arctic tundra. Its favorite treat is seal blubber. As the bear sits on the edge of the ice, a seal comes up for air. The seal doesn't see the giant paw grabbing for it. Grrr. So this animal, a polar bear, is a predator, and it uses its white fur to blend in with the snow. And then when it's going to catch its prey or hunt its prey, it blends in and the prey can't see it coming. Polar bears are not actually white. Their fur is transparent or clear, it means see-through. Light reflects off of it and makes it appear white or yellowish. Oh, this animal lives in the forest. It is a red fox. Rusty-colored fur rustles through the woods. A red fox follows a scent. Sniff like the fox. The small fox finds food in many places. Its red coat and dark tail help it blend in with plants and trees. Neither predators nor prey can see the sly fox. So that's something interesting. The fox is actually a pretty tiny animal, and it is a predator. It eats lots of other animals, but there are bigger animals that want to eat it. So this animal is both a predator that hunts for other animals, and it's a prey that is hunted. So its color helps it in two ways. It helps it to hide from predators that want to eat it, and it helps it hide from the prey that it wants to eat. Being able to hide so well helps this animal live and survive in many different places. The red fox will eat almost anything, including insects, fruit, and leftover food from people's garbage cans. This reminds me of the bear that we read about earlier in the week, right? It eats both plants or animals. It kind of rummages through stuff to find food. I bet this animal hides very well in the fall. Why do you think it would hide well in the fall? What happens to the leaves in the fall? Yes, they change colors. And this reddish brown is one of the colors that the leaves change. So that's how the fox could hide very well in the fall. Seahorse. Well, there's a different type of animal. Where does the seahorse live? In the ocean, right? Its name is a compound word, seahorse. So this animal looks like a horse, but lives in the sea. Remember, compound words usually tell us their meaning. Yellow, green, and brown seaweed swishes in the shallow sea. A small seahorse swishes in the seaweed too. The seahorse is a slow swimmer. Its yellow-brown armor helps it blend in with the seaweed. Larger fish can't see the seahorse hiding. So let's look at that. So these plants around the seahorse are almost the same color as the seahorse. See how it has different colors on its back? And it kind of hides in that seaweed. And then when bigger fish or other predators are swimming by, it may not notice the seahorse because it's blending in. The seahorse can quickly change color. Oh, that's new to me. I did not know that. To blend in better with its surroundings. It also changes color when it mates. All right, I'm going to stop there for today. And tomorrow, which is Friday, I will read the rest of the book to you. All right, happy Thursday.